What up, guys? We back. I know it's been a while, but finally got the clips in to finish off this plastic dip top. And I'm gonna show you where I left off at. So as you remember, I sprayed what used to be the vinyl top plastic dip, so now it's a plastic dip top. So while I was away from YouTube, I did paint this back piece and put it on, well, plastic dip that and put it on so the glass won't look kind of in there, kind of just any kind of way. Kind of makes it a little bit more uniform. The only thing is, since this did come from inside the vinyl top, you still could kind of see here where it's like some screws. Let me get that to focus. Yeah, so it still has some screws going around it, which is not a big deal. Not, at least not for me, as anyway. So, and another thing I did paint all these trimmings black. Remember, I was gonna paint these black, so that's done. But I've been a little busy and I've been waiting on the clips to come to put all this on. So let me pull out the clips and show you those, and then we'll get started. So here's the clip kit from gbodyparts.com. So you need some stuff for a G-body, you can check them out. So I'm gonna spread these out and see what all we got. All right, guys, we back, and we got it completed. So let me show you what we're working with. All right. All right. So it went back together pretty good, but to be honest with you, I think plastic dipping it was easier than putting this trimming on, just because I'm also nervous about breaking the new clips, and once you break those clips, that's it. Now I have to order another one, you know. But fortunately, everything came together pretty good. Popped them in place. So we still got the little gap right here, because it used to be like a little vinyl piece that goes in between there, which broke off. Which I'm not sure if I would have put that back on there. Well, I probably would have, but both sides broke just for being so old and brittle. As soon as I started peeling the trimming off, it just broke all up. So, oh well on that. But still doesn't look too bad for a homemade plastic dip top. Y'all know the Instagram. Bear with me, bear with me. And here's the passenger side. So we got the same thing over here. And I painted this trimming gloss black to kind of give it a little pop from the flat black. So yeah, this is not going to be a long one here, guys. It's a pretty short video. Just showing you how this came out. Next video, you guys might have been seeing these in the background of my videos. So this is the next project. We're gonna put these 22-inch rocks on. Well, I gotta get these new tires mounted on them. These tires that's on here now ain't worth nothing. So get that on, and then what we're gonna see is if we need to lift this car up, or we can squat it just like it is. I'm pretty sure that I might have to go up in the front a little bit. But y'all gotta stay tuned for that one, because that's gonna be the next project. Cause this is going down Rona or no Rona. So y'all comment, like, subscribe, and thanks.